How to install Sublime Text Editor in Ubuntu 20.04. In this tutorial, we are going to use the Ubuntu 20.04 operating system and then install the Sublime Text Editor. So click on Show Application, then search for Ubuntu Software Update. So click here and it brings up the Ubuntu Software Update tool, and click here and in the search box type Sublime. Now the Sublime Text Editor is displayed. Now you can click on the install button to install the Sublime Text Editor on Ubuntu operating system. Now enter the password, then click on authenticate. Now the installer is installing Sublime Text Editor on your operating system. Wait for the installer to complete the installation. So installation is completed. You can click here to launch, or you can go to the Show Application and then search for Sublime. So the Sublime Text Editor is finally installed on your Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. Thanks for watching the video and visit our website for more tutorials.